Shri Krishna friends, welcome to Ask Hitesh Astrology. Krishna is happiness, Krishna hi khushi hai, as I always say. And today we will be talking about a new series that includes the Raj Yogas, and I'll be talking about all the Raj Yogas that I know, that I have studied, or those are there in the scriptures, what Parashar Rishi has taught us. And I'll try to tell you people about those Raj Yogas, the good ones also and the bad ones also. And then please, before starting the video, subscribe the channel, like it, comment it, keep supporting as you are doing. Please press the notification bell also, so you'd get all my videos that I post time to time. And if you have any queries, if you want to take consultations from me, if you want to know what are the good Raj Yogas that you are having in your life, what all problems if you are having in your life, like I wish you don't have any problems, but still if you are having some kind of problems, you want to take personal consultation, you can contact me. My number keeps flashing in the video and it's always given in the description of the video below. You can contact me through the email also. And then whoever wants to study Vedic Jyotish in a very easy way, simple way, then also you can contact me on these numbers and or through the email, and you can ask me about the course and about the fee structure. So today we'll talk about important 3 yogas, the first 3 yogas. Now we are going to talk about the first Raj Yoga, that is Ashraya Rajju Yoga, and I am going to tell you why it is called Rajju Yoga also. See, it is called because when the gods, they blink their eyes, they can do it very fast, and then it is said in the Shastras that it takes them like thousand and billion of years to just blink their eyes, because in that period only the world that it keeps running. But actually this Rajju Yoga is of a different thing, what I am telling, in that sense, when God actually blinks his eyes very fast, and that can be really fast, like that seconds or that hundredths of seconds, we can't measure that also. So it is very fast. So that Rajju means when God blinks his eyes, and that too it can be very fast, you can understand that. So that is the base of the name that I wanted to tell you, so you should get the experience also, like what does the name actually means. So how does it occur in your chart? Rajju Yoga, Ashraya Rajju Yoga occurs when all the planets in your chart are in the movable signs, the Chara signs, that are Aries, Cancer, Libra and Capricorn. And your Lagna Lord is also included in this, like all the 7 planets excluding Rahu and Ketu. All the planets have to be in the movable signs, Chara signs that I have told you. So then only this Raj Yoga occurs, and it is not like that, like only 4 are there, 4 planets are in the Chara sign or a movable signs. It is not going to function like that. All the 7 planets have to be in the movable sign that I am telling you. And then what are the results of this yoga? The person who's having this yoga, the person who's having this Rajju Yoga, Ashraya Rajju Yoga, is fond of travels. He'll be traveling to different parts of the world. He'll be very quick in movement. He'll be very quick in decision making. His thoughts will just come like in seconds. Some good thoughts are going to come to him, and they are going to put it to use also very nicely. Whatever thoughts are going to come to their mind, they will fructify also to good things. So in that way also it is very good. They have got an open heart, like they take things very nicely, and they have got a broad mind also. They take all the things according to those points also very nicely, like they are very open minded, they like changes, they are frequent travelers, they are quick decision makers, and they are wealthy also. They make quick money also, like they can start earning also, at a very young age. So it is a very good and beneficial yoga to have in your chart, and you will always be on a move till the time you go from this earth. It is again a very important point that till that time you will be on a move. Maybe that search can be afterwards related to some kind of learning or knowledge, or taking all any kind of meeting, like going to pilgrimages and all those kind of things. So it is a very good special Raj Yoga to have in your chart. Now we'll talk about the second Raj Yoga, that is Ashray Musala Yoga. So this yoga happens. What does it mean? First, I'll tell you that musal means a pestle by which we ground all the spices. But here, actually, it is auspicious because this sign of a musal or a pestle is on the feet of Lord Narayana or Lord Rama or Krishna. It is found there. Because of that, it is a very auspicious yoga. And how does it happen? When all the planets in your chart are in the fixed signs or in the sthira signs, like Taurus, Leo, Scorpio and Aquarius, when all the planets including your Lagna Lord are in the fixed sign, this Raj Yoga happens in your chart, and it gives all kind of wealth, that is fixed wealth. You are very stable, you are dependable, like people can depend on you. You are that kind of people, like you have good wealth also, all kind of properties also you are going to make. You are going to be very learned also, all kind of knowledge will be there with you. You'll have all the kind of happiness from your children also. It is written in the Raj Yoga, this section, like when Musal Yoga, with this Musala Yoga, you are going to have all the kind of happiness from the sons and daughters, and it actually gives son also, like, and because your name will be there till the end of this world, actually it means like that. So you are going to have sons that are going to take your lineage like forward. So it is a very good Raj Yoga to have in your life, Musala Yoga, when all the planets are in the fixed signs. Your name and fame and everything will be very stable. So it is a very good and auspicious yoga. And the third Raj Yoga is Ashray Mala Yoga. So it means the prayer beads. So it is a very auspicious, because by that only we continue taking name of the gods, and it is very auspicious also. One of the meaning that it is related to is, one more meaning is like ripened one, the matured one. So the people who are matured in all the kind of knowledge, it also relates to that kind of thing. So Ashray Mala Yoga happens when all the planets in your chart are in the dual signs or in the Dvisvabhav signs, that are Gemini, Virgo, Sagittarius and Pisces, including your Lagna planet, Lagna Lord. When all the planets are in the dual signs, then this Ashray Mala Yoga happens. It is a very auspicious yoga. It gives all the kind of wisdom, knowledge, all the type of intelligence, all the type of wealth also it gives. Though it is written like the wealth keeps fluctuating, because it can be, because the main focus will be on like learning all the type of Vedas, all the type of things, spiritual practices, everything. It is not like that the people will not be intelligent, because Mercury is also involved in this yoga. So all the kind of intelligence you are going to have, but maybe you will not use that just to gain all the kind of prosperity and the materialism and all the kind of money. You will be more focused on learning things, or maybe to training people, give them guidance as a teacher, as a guru, as a counselor. You will be there for them. You will be good in looking. You will take good care of your near and dear ones. So from that way also it is going to be good. You will be very adaptable also in any kind of situation. No, you are not going to lose your mind, no, you are not going to lose your temper. So you are going to take everything very nicely. You will be having all the kind of knowledge, like from starting till end you are just going to gain knowledge, and then to train people also, to help them also with all their problems if they are having. And then it is written like some kind of a problem is there in the limb of a person, like maybe in any part, like, but to me actually, if I want to interpret it, it can be like that, like one area of your life maybe can be missing, maybe you will miss out some kind of enjoyment in your life. So that kind of things can happen. Or maybe you will not be too involved in any kind of enjoyments or with your life partner, or maybe you will not be very good with your friends. So one of the other thing maybe you will miss out in your life, and otherwise the things are very great. You will be, like as I've told you, all the kind of knowledge will be there. You will be very clever, very intelligent. You will be you will have all the nature. You will be fast also, then you will be stable also in your thoughts and in your actions and movements. So it is a very good Raj Yoga to have. It is a very and you are going to help people also. When you are having this Raj Yoga, when all the planets are in the dual signs, you are going to help people with their problems also. So you can be in the role of a guide or a teacher or a guru. So it is a very Shubh Yoga to have in your life. And I hope you'll like this series that I have started, and I'll be telling the cause also, why it is called like that, why these Raj Yogas are called like that. And then if you have any questions regarding this, please you can ask in the comment box, and Krishna is always with you. Jai Shri Krishna.